Hi guys, we will pretend Snowflake was stuck in the rain. Just pretend. Hi guys, it's Dr. Bob. And, I have a patient coming in now. Oh, it's the same elf again. Oh, you seem sad, Snowflake the elf, and you seem different color. Oh, you're wet. Just pretend, you guys. You're wet, just pretend, Snowflake. Let's give you a checkup and see if we can make you feel better again. Let's give you a checkup. You get for a checkup. So first, you guys, I will listen to her heartbeat, and listen. It sounds normal to me, and let's let's do something. Snowflake, come on, we need to give you blood pressure. Stop acting like this. Snowflake, I think she's a little upset from the rain. Let's give let's give her a blood pressure and see. Let's give her a blood pressure. Let's turn this around and we can see what the number is. It's going around, 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 around. It's to the top. 1 minus 1. That is 0, maybe? So it's on 0. Don't. Snowflake, don't. Snowflake. See ya! Okay, let's give let's check the let's check the thermometer and check see where she's at. Right now it's on 0, 0. Let's check. It's coming to happy, sad, happy, sad. And then it lands on 10, 1001.2 38 was wet, so that makes her sad when she's in the rain. So let's make sure these stuff works for her. Let's try something here. You know what? Let's check something. Let's make sure. Let's do something. So before it was snowflakes. Before this is an angry snowflake, and then it said by the sad side, and then so on the top I will put Snowflake the robot. Snowflake. So here she is. I'm making a Snowflake the robot here. Snowflake is an angry robot. And then she's back again on the birthday tray one. She flips it up in the air So that means she was sad about it because it wasn't okay. So she threw it and kicked it maybe. And then what else did she do? And then she flew to the North Pole to talk to Santa. And then, because she was not happy now, she was in the thunderstorm maybe. So she was not happy about that. She was so 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 this is Snowflake the robot. She's angry at the cleaning coat. She was she was sad about the birthday tray. She was upset about hugging someone. And she's sad now for getting stuck in the rain. What's her choice? So let's give her medicine to to make her feel better. And then, well, first let's make her dry with a blanket and make sure. See, let's give let's make her happy with her blanket. She might need her blanket, you guys. So let's put this book back and let's give her a blanket to use. So here's the blanket. Okay, she has the blanket now. Now let's give her some medicine to make her feel better. Because it helps elves feel better. And it's not in here because she kicked it. Just checking and see what she done. There it is, it's under this table. Let's give her medicine. Oh no, don't still climb Snowflake. Here she goes. Putting her hands on her eyes. Snowflake, open up. It will make you feel better. Okay, she wasn't happy about that, so let's feed her some milk to make her feel better. Let's give her some milk, make her feel better. Let's give her some milk. Thank you for watching, you guys. It wasn't really raining in here. Just pretend it was. Just pretend. So this is Snowflake. Hope she feels better soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You guys are awesome.